This is a 2006 BMW X3. It has a 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a sunroof, a low-tire pressure indicator, high-intensity discharge headlights, an 8-speaker stereo system, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, roof rails, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button. And this vehicle has fewer than 51,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Wade Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3860 South Cobb Drive in Smyrna.